happy Wednesday po sa inyo lahat mga kapuso. Gising na at maisagot na sa paborito niyong tagisan ng galing at talino tuwing umaga.
Yes, susubukan natin ang galing ng mga estudyante ngayon sa
UH Quiz Bee Math Edition! Quiz Master Lynn, simulan mo na yan.
Good luck, guys! Go!
Go kids! Math, math, math. We love math.
Thank you very much, ladies. Good morning, students of Grace Park Elementary School. I love the energy of the students here and of course the teachers as well. So eto na, tag-isa na ng galing at talino. Kaya huwag na nating patagalin pa. Kilalanin natin ang mga pambata ng Grace Park Elementary School. Ang una nating contestant ay si Samantha Nuviana Zantua. Siya ay grade 4 student at credit awardee sa Australia Math Competition at iba pang international awards na nasa inyong TV screens at sa ating LED screen. Pakita natin ang kanyang achievements, guys. Okay, at ito naman, ang kanyang mga katapat ay si Froy Elijah M. Villadares, isang grade 4 student. Siya ay National Honor Roll at Sonoetic Learning Math 2025. At ayan na, makikita niyo rin sa screens ang kanyang mga achievements. Okay, and of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Sir John Carlo Ramos, faculty member and grade 4 math contestants trainer na siyang nag-verify ng ating questions at siya rin ang magmamonitor ng mga sagot ng ating mga estudyante. Ngayon, para sa ating mechanics, as you know, paunahan lang ng pagpindot ng buzzer after kung basahin ang tanong, kailangan muna matapos kung basahin ang tanong bago kayo sumagot at magsasabi ako ng go bago nyo pindutin ang buzzer nyo. Okay, guys? Froy and Samantha, you have to wait for me to say go, alright? At syempre, para naman sa audience natin nandito, gusto makisagot sa atin, sa kanila, makikita nyo rito sa ating LED wall ang ating mga tanong at syempre ang mga sagot, dito rin lalabas. Okay? So, 10 points each para sa ating easy round and 50 points para sa difficult round. Ang may pinakamataas na points ay makakuha ng tatanghaling Quiz Bee Champion. Alright, are we ready, Samantha and Froy? Alright. Guys, palakpakan nyo naman ang mga classmates nyo. Para may energy sila. Okay, good guys. Alright, Froy, Samantha, kamay sa baba. Okay, we go to the first question. Solve the following. 12 times 4 plus 3 minus 30. Go. Yes. 21 is correct. Wow, that's really fast. Okay, ito naman ang ating second question. Kamay sa baba, Froy, Samantha. What do you call the answer in subtraction? Go. Yes, Froy. Difference is correct. Mukhang mabilis tong laban na ito para sa kanila. Okay, let's go to the third easy question. Solve the following. 9 times 8 9 times 8 plus 12 minus 10 equals, go. Froy.
74.
74 is correct. Let's go now to our fourth question. Okay, fourth question, solve the following. 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to, go. Samantha.
1/2.
1/2 is correct. Pantay na silang dalawa, guys. Eto na, for the easy round pa lang to, ha. Our last question for the easy round is this. How many zeros are there in 1 million? Go! Samantha.
6.
6 is correct! Grabe na. Okay, recap lang po ng ating mga nakuhang bilang. Ito, 30 points for Samantha and 20 points for Froy. Pero okay lang, pwede pang humabol dahil sa difficult round natin. 50 points per answered question that's correct. Okay, so our difficult round will happen later. Kaya mag-antay na lang po tayo. Nakakatawa. This is an exciting game. Kaya tutok lang sa Impabas sa Morning Show kung saan laging una ka. Una. There you go.
Samantala mga kapuso, mas titindi pa ang tagisan ng talino dito sa UH Quiz Bee Math Edition!
Ayan nga, kanina, nagkasubukan na sa easy round. Ngayon naman, it's time for the difficult round. Balikan natin si Quizmaster, Miss Lynn, para dyan. Hello! Good luck, guys!
Go kids!
And we are back here sa Grace Park Elementary School sa Caloocan City with our beloved students here and ang ating competitors si Samantha and Froy. Both of them are grade 4 students here at Grace Park Elementary School. Okay, so difficult round na tayo. Pag difficult round, alam natin na 50 points each ang correct answer. And recap lang tayo sa points kanina. Si Froy has 20 points and Samantha has 30 points. So magiging matindi ang laban natin. Kaya simulan na natin. Alright, guys, are you ready? Okay, kamay sa baba. Here's the first question. Solve the following. 41 times 34 plus 42 divided by 7. Go! 41, you can use pen and paper. Sige, 41 times 34 plus 42 divided by 7. Samantha, yes.
1,400.
1,400 is correct! Very good. That's plus 50 points for you. And now we move on to the second question here in the difficult round. Okay, second question, Samantha, Froy, kamay sa baba. You can use your pen and paper, ha? What is the greatest common factor of 36, 24, and 48? Go. Samantha?
8.
That is incorrect. Froy?
12.
12 is correct. All right, now let's move on to the third question. Kamay sa baba, Samantha, Froy, convert the equation 12 and 5, 6 to improper fraction. Go. Froy,
77 over 6.
77 over 6 is correct! Tumitindi ang laban, pinagpapawisan ako rito. My goodness. Okay, last two questions. Let's go. Kamay sa baba, solve the following. 36 times 14 plus 78 minus 23 is... Go! I love it. Okay, yes, Samantha.
559.
Again,
559.
559 is correct. Alright, eto na. This is the last question. Eto na ang makapagsasabi kung sino ang mananalo today. Listen up, guys, Froy and Samantha. Here is the question. A vendor sold 3,000 grams of his remaining 14 kilograms of rice. How many kilograms are left with the vendor? Go! Froy.
11,000 kilograms.
I'm sorry, did you say 11,000?
11 kilograms.
11 kilograms is correct! So we have our winner, it's Froy! I love that they're so, they're such good friends. Congratulations, Froy. Halika dito sa harapan. Froy, si Froy won. Okay, here's the gold medal. And 5,000 pesos! Froy, congratulations! Eh, Samantha, halika rito. Wait lang, Froy, ha? Okay, Samantha, ito naman ang para sa'yo. You have won our medal and 3,000 pesos! Pati ako na-excite sa kanilang dalawa. Congratulations to our winners! Actually, pareho silang winner para sa atin. Kaya, mga kapuso, tutok lang mo para sa mas maraming kaalaman dito sa Quiz B. Dito sa inyong pambansang morning show kung saan laging una ka!
Ikaw, hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa GMA Public Affairs YouTube channel? Bakit? Mag-subscribe ka na, dali na, para laging una ka sa mga latest kwento at balita. I-follow mo na rin ang official social media pages ng Unang Hirit. Salamat, Kapuso.